good time in Vegas. We're off to the Hoover Dam. We just went and got the IV boost. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm probably going to wake up in the morning wrinkle-free with mermaid hair because I got the glow. And after Hoover Dam, we're going to head towards Grand Canyon.
Yes, shout out to Per and Jim Keefe. We went and found our people last night. It was the last day of the ISRI show, which is a scrap and recycling association, and they're down at the Mandalay Bay, so we got to see our people, our friends, and I don't think Kayla and I bought any drinks, and we drank too many. So love you guys, and thanks a lot for the hospitality. Hoover Dam, here we go. Woo! Well, got some bad news. Little update on the old Hoover Dam.
Can't go. We pulled up to the check stop, and apparently if you have a trailer, you can't go at all. They don't search it, they don't do anything. There's no park and shuttle, nothing. They just stopped traffic for us and just said that we had to leave. So. And
there's also a sign that says no firearms are allowed in your vehicle at the Hoover Dam. And if you know me, I like to travel with at least 4 of them.
Off to the next adventure, heading towards Grand Canyon, I guess.
Heading towards Grand Canyon. This will probably be the extent of the Hoover Dam video. If you go to the Hoover Dam, don't take guns and don't take a trailer.
Yeah. Lesson learned.
Here we are at Canyon Springs. It's a bit of a tourist trap ghost town, but it's still pretty cool. It's like Wild Wild West, but definitely a lot of people come here, and the surrounding town is kind of catering towards this place. So we'll check it out. Let's go. Is this a bank, Tanner? Right here. This is the bar. So this is on Google this was a ghost town, but like obviously it's like a man-made ghost town, but still kind of cool. Still kind of cool. We got the shutter doors. Well, Johnny Taylor, you mad, Cap? Yeah. Tanner says that there's no window because there was a fight in this bar, and somebody got thrown out here onto the ground.
I guess there was gates here.
There's the poop house. Let's take a look in the poop house. Painted hole. Jail. The old jail. Let's take a look in the jail. That's where you go to jail. It's next to the jail, the sheriff. This is the old sheriff. Oh yeah, they even like painted the wood to look like brick. Interesting enough. Kayla wants to bring this rock home. She's got a thing with rocks. She put 3 of them in my truck yesterday. Weren't quite this big.
He doesn't know about the ones I hit.
I asked her to put a few back. So, we got some rocks. There's probably some more headed to the truck somewhere. This is the old hardware store. Ah! The old hardware store. Oh, what do we got here? The Undertaker. Telegraph office. The dang well's dried up.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. An antique garbage can. an antique electrical panel. Wow. That's from probably, I'm guessing, 1783. You can tell because the padlock. You can tell these places are old because of the way they are. Oh wow, look at this. An old antique padlock. It looks a lot like the ones that are at the hardware store, but this one, you can tell because of the way it is. This place has been vacant for at least 300 years. The old graveyard. Lucky boy. Lucky boy. I mean, he grew to an astonishing 5'7". Civil War veterans. Tennessee. John Doe. Wow. Cacti. That's actually pretty cool. This is probably the coolest thing I've seen in this whole town. That's fun. You know, I kind of like the stuff that's actually abandoned. Not something where you check out the ghost town and then, you know, go over there and get you a hot dog. Yeah, whatever. It's cool. It's cool. Tanner likes it. Just so you know, this is Chloride, Arizona. So, if you're traveling through Arizona and you get the wild hair to say, I'm going to Google search a ghost town, it's going to pop up Chloride. Just know what you're in for. You're in for a town of a couple few hundred people and a man-made ghost town that you can tour. So, still fun, but that's what it is. Tanner's a little camera shy today. I think he's tired. Tanner, are you tired and grumpy?
Stop. Stop. You better stop.
You're grumpy, don't smile.
Are you a little tired and a little grumpy?
Don't do it.
He was like thinking about throwing that water all over me. He's like, I could totally just drench that face right now.